There are some hairstyles you make and you'll be shocked that you could pull that off. Yeah, that was the experience I had with this hairstyle. I was so proud of myself. Why not stick around so I could show you everything I did to achieve this style? So I decided to make the part offline so this video doesn't take long, but all I did was do this wavy part in a slant way, if that makes sense. Just follow through with what you're seeing. Okay, so I went ahead. You know what, I'm just going to keep quiet and allow you guys to see through the process. Just in case you don't know how to cornrow, I have a detailed tutorial. You guys should check it out. I will leave the link in my description box, so enjoy. But before I keep short, I would like to explain what happened here. Initially, you guys saw how I parted it. I was supposed to add this front part that I ended up not braiding. That was because her head there was just too fragile. I didn't want to break it. I didn't want to cause more harm to the hair. The hair was just too fragile. So I decided to leave that out of the way. I decided to not include that into the braiding. Like I said, I was supposed to add it, just like the pattern, the first pattern you guys saw me do. You know, it was supposed to include the first cornrow that I was supposed to braid, but upon trying it, it was dragging along the hairline a lot. I tried several ways. It was just dragging the hair along, and I know that if I should risk it, her hair is going to break on that place because the hair was trying to regrow. It is still very much fragile, so I decided to put that out of the way, to leave that aside. Up until still this time, at this stage that I still haven't figured out what I was going to do with that hair. I just didn't know. It was until I finished the whole hair that I figured out something to do. But just keep on watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. All done. Now let's figure out this part. So I tried out several things before I finally decided to do this. I tried doing individual braids, like I would add bead, but I realized that was going to put a weight on that hair, and that is what I've been avoiding So I decided to do this. Instead, I just do it a little cornrow. This one is very easy because nothing is like, how do I say it? Like, there's no harm, there's no effect on this kind of cornrow that I did here. First of all, like, I am not cornrowing it all the way back, so there is nothing pulling it backwards, if that makes sense. It is just like a little cornrow, so basically standing on its own. After which, I then use crochet to connect the ends of the cornrow onto the braid on that line, if that makes sense. Like, I just connected it. You guys can see that it's not all the way straight. Assuming I braided it on its own all the way back, it would have been like straight, but because of the situation, it is not all the way straight. But I'm good with it. I am good, I am okay, so long it is not cutting my daughter's hair, it is not harming her hairline. I am good with it. So after that, now here is the fun part. Bring out your detachable ponytail. Okay, bring out your afro kinky detachable whatever, if that is what you have. See, as a mom of a baby girl, you need to have these things just somewhere in the house. You just need to have it laying around the house, either a detachable ponytail or a kinky hair, or even both, so that on the days you want to take a hairstyle from 50 to 100, you're gonna do that real quick. Even on the days you don't have the strength to style in anybody's hair, you just put that on and your child is looking all dope and all that. So I put that onto her hair. It's very easy to install. You guys saw how I did one of it, yeah. And I went in with this this accessory that elevated the look and everything. I laid down the little edges that she had left on there, and guys, look at my baby girl. You see how her look changed real quick? You see how this hairstyle elevated her face and everything? I know my girl is very beautiful, but then this hairstyle, it just added. Don't let me know what you think in the comment section. What do you think about this hairstyle? Do you like it? Are you gonna be trying it out? It is quite easy, so trust me, mama, you would want to try out this hairstyle on your child, being the fact that she can rock it without the ponytail to school. I mean, my sister said they don't allow any beads or too much accessories in their school. So what I do is, after all of these stuffs, I just generally take out the ponytail and she goes to school like the good kid that she is. So will you be trying out this hairstyle? When you do, tag me, and I'll definitely share on my story on Instagram at Catherine__OZ. So we've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. So see you all in the next one. Bye.